Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track what you owe vendors and manage your accounts payable balances in QuickBooks Online. Keeping tabs on what you owe and when payments are due is essential for maintaining healthy cash flow and strong vendor relationships. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks organizes all your financial accounts, giving you a comprehensive view of your business finances in the Chart of Accounts. Scroll through the list until you find Accounts Payable. Click on it to see your total payables balance at a glance. This figure represents everything you currently owe across all vendors, providing a quick snapshot of your outstanding obligations. Once you've noted this total, go ahead and close the Chart of Accounts. Next, click on Expenses in the left navigation menu. This section helps you manage all outgoing payments and vendor relationships. From here, click on Suppliers. This will display a list of all suppliers you owe money to, along with their current balances. Take a moment to review these outstanding balances, as this list shows you exactly who you owe and how much, making it easy to prioritize payments. For a more detailed breakdown of your payables, click on Reports in the left menu. Reports are incredibly useful for understanding the timing and urgency of your payments. In the search bar, type Accounts Payable Aging Summary and select this report when it appears. This report is particularly valuable because it groups your supplier balances by due date categories, such as current, 1-30 days, 31-60 days, and so on. This aging breakdown helps you identify which bills need immediate attention and which ones you have more time to address. If you want to dig even deeper, click on any balance amount in the report. This will drill down to show you the specific bills that make up that total, giving you complete transparency into your obligations. Use these details to manage payments strategically and keep track of your supplier payables effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.